Hey guys, we're still at Streetside Classics and over here near Tampa. And if you want to buy any of these cars, they're all for sale at streetsideclassics.com. We're going to keep going on. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Check out this nice rat rod right here. We got the skull and cross lightning on the door. We've got it's got a blower on it. It's got a blown small block in it. It's got all kinds of little touches here and there. It's not a full-blown rat rod, but pretty close. Love this chain for the back here. They have that. They have this beautiful Jeep J10 four-wheel drive. You never see these anymore. That has a metallic dark green exterior, Krager rims on it, the aluminum rim side pipes. Beautiful, beautiful car. 1983 Jeep J10 4x4. And yep, this is a working shop. This is a working garage. We've got other vehicles in here. Some really classic trucks for sale. Here's a Bronco. What year is this Bronco? Bronco Ranger XLT 1979. That's a nice green and white two-tone. A Cheyenne 20 Super four-wheel drive. Right there. Chevy Cheyenne four-wheel drive. Beautiful truck. And they have newer stuff here, like this Avalanche, which is newer. Yep, guys, I'm limping because I limped. And then they have another Bronco here. It looks like a 93. I want to say it's a 93 Bronco. Let's see. 91 Ford Bronco 4x4 Eddie Bauer edition with the original interior in it. It's brown and tan. Man, this thing in 93 was definitely something everybody wanted, the Eddie Bauer edition. And then you have a Dodge Ram Charger. Rare nowadays to see Ram Chargers. A lot of them just rusted out, but this one is in very excellent shape. It's like a bluish gray on the inside, blue on the outside. Hummer right there. Let's see, beautiful truck. What's it got on there? 360. It's an LS 150 edition 4x4, and this one has a 3-speed 5.2 liter. Okay, and then we have a really nice Ford custom cab F100. Ford custom cab F100. 1957. Is it a 57 100? I believe it is. 1957 Ford F100 3-speed with a 302. Very nice. Suicide door. Lincoln Continental right there, convertible. And then we have some Jeeps right here. 4-liter high output Jeep and a Renegade. And then the Jeep CJ7 All very cool. Jeep Wagoneer. We have over here a beautiful black Nova. Where's this Chevy 2? It looks like it's about a 68 maybe? 68 or 69. What is this one? I want to say to 69, but it's just, oh, it's got the 307. Still has the 307 3-speed automatic. Oh man, this is your grandfather's Nova right there. That is your grandfather's Nova. So we're gonna go see more of these cars right up here, and so stick with us. If you haven't seen any of our videos, check out, we have over 1,200 videos like this and more that are online. And like I said, if you want to buy any of these, just go to streetsideclassics.com and they can pay for it, or you can buy them right now. All right, Streetside Classics. Here is a Plymouth GTX in a mint green. Beautiful GTX in a mint green right here. It's awaiting a photo, not yet for sale. 440 in the engine. Beautiful car. Very, very sweet. Got Krager SS's on it. Green and black interior, green and black exterior, console car, automatic. And then we have an SS 502. So the SS 502 Chevelle did not come with this engine. It's not stock. So it is a 72 Tribute 502. So it's got the 3-speed automatic, black on the inside. So heartbeat, black on the inside, red and black on the outside, and flames in the stripes. Beautiful car right there. Look at that thing. And then of course we have a 70 Chevelle, which is my favorite car because that's what I had in high school. So you guys have seen 100 pictures of it. So it does have a 454. This is black with black interior. It's a Chevelle SS 454 Tribute, so it was not an original 454 SS. Has the horseshoe in there for in the column, or in the 454. Sorry, talking a little bit. It's got the automatic with the horseshoe shifter in there. Really, really beautiful car with the console. Does not have the SS trim on the inside, no SS steering wheel, no SS door panels, but it says it's a Tribute anyway. So, and you're not gonna do some of the stuff to a 70 Chevelle SS. So it's a beautiful car. I'd take it in a heartbeat. Here's a really nice Ford Comet. It's awaiting photographs, so it's not even up yet. It's got two-tone exterior paint, red interior. It's got a 4-speed. Again, these cars are the same underneath as a Mustang. And so a lot of these were used for drag racing because they were cheaper than Mustangs, but basically the same car with the same weight ratio. So same center of gravity. And some of the early funny cars, they would move the wheels, and we've had some on the channel where you see the wheel well is moved here instead of there to move up the center of gravity. And then finally, look at this Land Rover. It looks like this beast has gone through, I don't know, Iraq or Iran or somewhere. It looks like you could take it to the moon. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.